Good morning students, welcome in your English class. Now in this video we will start the poem. Now first poem is our Be the Best. Now see, be the best. Now that all of you have a textbook, that English textbook, page number 3, 2 and 3. So before that we had seen the chit chat of the lesson. Now we will start the poem. So that first we will read the poem Be the Best. Be the best if you can't be a pine on the top of the hill. Be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of grass, and some highway happier make. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. We can't all the captains, we have got to be a crew. There's something for all of us here. There's a big work to do, and there's lesser to do. And the task you must do is the near. Last stanza. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Now, that Dallas Meloch, that a poet, his name is there. The poem is composed by Dallas Meloch. Now first stanza we will see what is the meaning of that poem and what the poet wants to say us. That all of you know that poem is a motivational poem. So that poem is a motivational poem, inspirational poem. That the poet is observe the nature. In the first, that means 3-4 stanzas we had seen that the poet observe the nature and say no job is lesser or a greater. See that many things, many examples that had given in the poem that job is lesser or a greater. Means say no job, any job is there, any work is there. Job is means here work is there, anything is there. So that is not a lesser or a greater. मोठे नाही किंवा छोटे नाही. Now in the first stanza, be the best if you can't be a pine. On the top of the hill, be a scrub in the valley, but be the best little scrub by the side of the rail. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. The poem starts by giving an example of nature. So, we had seen that a scrub, pine is a tall tree. Pine is a tall tree. Top of the hill. Then scrub means an area. Scrub means an area covered with a small low plants. Means like small plants are there. Yes. Side of the road. Then next, reel is also there, a stream. Reel means stream. छोटे से पाण्याचे झरे वगैरे आपण म्हणतो ते stream. Now next, the best little scrub by the side of the reel. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. Is a bush means very small grass. It is a lie on the floor is there. Means when we are travel by a highway side, we observe that in the hillside or the side of the road of the side, that such a type of small plants we can observe there. So in this first stanza, that poet explained the nature, giving the example of nature. Means in the forest there are a lot of pine tree. In the forest lot of pine tree. We have seen that Means if you can't be a pine, so each and every tree become a pine tree. Some trees are small. Some trees are small in their size, but some are tall. Pine tree is a tall. But every small tree become a pine tree? No, they are small. But means that's why no get important to that small trees, small plants. No, that forest can't see good, can't imagine without a small plants or a small grass, small bushes is there, or a reel also there is, a stream is also there. So we have seen that. So each and every things have a important in the forest. Means only pine tree that are tall, that's why give important to the pine tree, and other trees can't give importance. Such things happen? No. Okay. Now means in this poem, that poets want to say that he is trying to say that be the best employee, be the best employee, best worker. If you can't be the boss, means if and everyone become a boss? No. Each and everyone can't be a boss. Some are their employee also good, some are worker is also good in their work. And that's why that work became a good. Means employee is also good. Yes? So you become a good employee. You become a good employee, good worker. All of you understood the first poem? Yes. In the first poem, there are two rhyming words, hill, rill, bee and a tree. Next stanza is there. If you can't be a bush, be a bit of the grass. Is a bit of the grass is a very little there. So, and some have a happier make. Some have a happier make. If you are a musky, then just be a bass. Be the liveliest bass in the lake. Now see, if you can't be a bush, means is it not possible that pine tree, you can see that pine tree is a different tall, then bush, scrub, then after bush. So is it not possible to become a bush? So you can become a bit of grass. You can become a bit of grass. And some have a happier make. And some have a happier make. That highway means we can see the side of the road highway. Yes, very small bit of grass. Small grass is there. That a small bush is there. That's why that highway become a good. Means we can see the nature in that bit of grass. Then next example is given here. If you are a muskie, then just be a bass, but the liveliest bass in the lake. Now you can see what is the name. Two different names are came here. Muskie and bass. Muskie and bass. What is the muskie? Muskie is the name of, muskie and bass is the name of the fish. Name of the fish. Is a muskie is an uncommon fish. It is a uncommon fish. Muskie is a uncommon fish and bass is a common fish. Common fish. Now, then it found in North America. North America, and then it is available get everywhere. Get everywhere. It is a uncommon, that muskie is an uncommon fish found in a North America, and bass is a common fish. It is a common fish get everywhere. So rare, we can see that fish is a rare. That fish is a rare. Rare means durmid. Rare means durmid. So common fish which can get everywhere. So that precious, that muskie is very precious. Precious means molevan. That musky is a precious but unfavorite. And this is not precious but then also favorite. It is a small in size, it is a large in smile, but then also each and everyone like to bath. Now very fine example given in this second stanza. Poet had given here musky and bass. That two name of the fish. It is in a uncommon fish. It is common fish. Get everywhere. It is a rare. And North America. But most of the people's favorite fish is their bass, and it can't favorite. That means aren't favorite. We are say that aren't favorite is the musky. Okay, all of you understood the second stanza. Now we turn on the third. Next, we can't all be captains. We have got to be a crew. There's something for all of us here. There's a big work to do and there's a lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. Now crew means, all of you know ship? Yes. So a sailor is there. Sailor who work on the ship. And captain means who is a class captain, all of you know. He hold on the students all after the teacher. So like that way, captain is a whole, means control the ship. Each and everything, all decisions who take captains. But who help? Crew help. Crew means sailors who work on the ship. Ship वर काम करणारे इतर कामगार. A person helps to the captain. A person who helps to the captain. Now we can't all be captains. So each and everyone will become a captain? No. Each and everyone will become a not captain. So only one captain is there. And we have got to be a crew. There's something for all of us here. There's a big work to do and there's lesser to do, and the task you must do is the near. Now see that means the poet wants to say us. The poet wants to be happy to say that us captain can't alone sail through the sea. Only one captain can hold the all that ship? No. So he wants us to know that there is always something for us, and we should be proud whatever we are. In this society means that in this society, he wants to say us that through that example, in this society every work has important. And no work to be ashamed. Now what will happen if everyone wants to be a doctor? Means everyone wants to become a doctor, engineer, that. So then who look after the smaller job? That cobbler is there, barber is there, that sweeper is there. So many smaller jobs in the society. So then if each and everyone wants to become an engineer, doctor, any other post is there. So principal, like that way. So who look after the smaller job? And that smaller job is also very important. Then if there will be no sweeper in the society, what will be happen? Dirt is lie in the society. So if there will be cobbler is no there, barber is no there, then who cuts our hair? If cobbler is not there, who makes our shoes is there? So many works are there in the society and we depends on them. So all of you understood that if each and every jobs have a great value in this society. So students, all of you understood the third stanza. Now we will turn on the last one. If you can't be a highway, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. It isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best whatever you are. Now, means each and every word that see highway, narrow path. Trail means narrow path. Path means way. Path means way. Narrow opposite wide. Yes. Small path. This is the wide, this is the narrow, and this is the wide. So both are the path. Both are the pathway. Both are the path. Now, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Highway is a very important. We think about that the importance way in the society, in the travel, like that way. If you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. Means that a highway is not possible, so you will become a trail. Then, if you can't be a highway, then just be a trail. Means you become a small path, narrow path. And that is also very important. Means sometimes they are shortcut. They are sometimes a shortcut. So, if you can't be the sun, be a star. All of you know that sun, in a big, it is only one sun. Yes, that is the truth. And so many stars are there. That's why only sun has the importance and stars don't have. That sun gives a light during the day. And stars give light at the night. And it isn't by size that you win or to a fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Means whatever your desire, whatever you want to become in the society, you give to importance that. Now, work hard to become a good. Now, work is very hard to become a good. Then work harder to become the best. He says size doesn't matter. That poet wants to say as that size doesn't matter. Now, it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Means you are win. That's why your size is a big. Your size is a very small. That's why you are fail. No, just like it's not happen. So, it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Small things also get us success. Now, in the beginning, that story, lion and the mouse given here. And at last, mouse helped to the lion. But size is very small. That's my mouse size is very small. But he helps. Yes? Means that's why win or you fail, it is not depend on the size. Be the best whatever you are. Whatever you are, whatever your desire, you decide it and then you achieve it. That size is not matter. So, in this way, that poets had given us very different examples to us that size doesn't matter and you achieve anything here. All of you understood the poem? Thank you, students.